And every day, everyone. Felix Weber here. This time for the NFT Guild, which was initially founded by me, Sent, and Sharon Mephisto, head of operations at the Cardano Foundation in November 2021. And we submitted a proposal for Fund 7, which was voted and funded, called NFT Guild in Fund 7 Community Events Challenge. And we received 10,000 US dollars in ADA. No, that's not true. We received so far 7,500 US dollars in ADA, the last funding batch we received. After doing this closeout report here, happy to close this project. It's closed, but not closed at all. This proposal was the initial kickoff to enable some first serious resources, well, not really serious resources, but to enable some first resources to build the further development and growth of the NFT Guild. Then let's go through the questions we have to answer. Where are the questions we have to answer? There they are. Once your project went live, how did you progress? Once it went live, so we scheduled the very first NFT Guild community calls in, I think it was in January 2022. Sorry. And since then, launching weekly NFT Guild community calls. So for more than half a year now. Great. How did it progress? We arrived to build some really great community engagement, especially around the NFT roundtable, which evolved from the NFT Guild and the community events. We can count on an amazing participation from pretty much all the key players within the Cardano NFT ecosystem, such as Argos NFT, Altano, Cardano Foundation, Catalyst Swarm, well, we just helped there, Send, Emogo, Fibo, AIMX, IOG, JPEG Store, NFT Maker, IO, New Mindflow, and MLabs. And what we are doing there is mostly inviting those key players into most important relevant discussions all around the healthy and effective growth of the NFT ecosystem on Cardano. Next question. I hope it answered this somehow well. What learnings and challenges did you find along the way? Ooh, there were a lot. One really interesting thing is to see how the NFT Guild directly builds bridges between catalyst proposals and eventually CIPs coming up. So really interesting to see this. They had first initial community engagements, then grow and end up in direction and say, hey, cool, now for the technical solutions which got explored and developed in the process, the outcomes can be very much submitted at CIPs, Cardano improvement proposals then. There's something really beautiful right now all about NFT verification tools and standards. Then what else? Were you able to keep the project within the scope of your application? Yes, even far beyond the scope, because it was really just to get some resources to revamp the core team, which was established through the last half year. And yeah, much more. What milestones, KPIs did you set at the outset, and did you achieve them? KPIs. Let me check what have been our KPIs. Number of held events. And the number of held events. Well, right now, since November 2021, weekly recurrent calls on Zoom. And right now we are around 35 community events, so definitely a nice number. And this was definitely what we wanted to have to achieve as well, recurring NFT community events. Wasn't initially thought that we would finish up with something like the roundtable, but yeah, beautiful to see unexpected and great success. Then next topic. Please include a demonstration of the project output, such as the software or app, products or services, and how it works. If the project is not technical, please provide evidence, deliverables, and work that you have completed. Okay, and this is really nice. You can find everything about what the NFT Guild is doing on the NFT Guild Discord server. We have a debug platform as well, and there's a YouTube channel as well as a Twitter account where mostly everything can be easily tracked what happens. What next for the product services you have developed? For sure, submitting follow-up proposals on the very first one, as we saw that this definitely is able to address some important challenges very effectively. What happened, there have been follow-up proposals already in Fund 8, where we got 4 proposals voted and funded. No, Fund 9, please excuse me. And we also resubmit proposals and challenge proposal for Project Catalyst Fund 10. Most relevant, the NFT Guild Community and Ecosystem Challenge, which aims to provide its own challenge to everything regarding NFT ecosystem on Color. That's it, pretty much. That was a little helpful. If you have more information, join the NFT Guild Discord, ping us on Twitter, wherever you want. Happy to help. See you there.